What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. This is episode 3.5 of How to Get into UMTYMP. If you saw the last episode, which if you haven't, I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. But I talked about how I'm going to have to split this episode 3 into two parts. This is the second part. So we're going to be talking about percentages, fractions, as well as ratios and proportions. Let's get started. So here's some main topics in percentages. Ignore this little side note over here. I'll talk about it later. So you want to know about percentage increase and decrease, and that includes talking about discounts. You also want to find percentages of fractions and decimals and compare the two. That's what this is about actually. So on A we have 50% of 1/2, and on B we have 50% of 0.5. Take these out on both sides. You can see that 1/2 is equal to 0.5, and since the two are equal, the answer is C. It's simple problems like that. This might not be that simple this might not appear in the UMTYMP exam, but this is just an example to show you. Yeah. So here's an example. I suggest you try this on your own before, pause the video and try this on your own. Okay, so Bob goes to the supermarket and gets a 20% discount off a toy. He pays $5. So how do you solve this? You have to set some value as a variable. So on A we have the original price of the toy. Let's set this as X, and B just $6. We'll just ignore that. So if the original price of the toy is X, let's actually solve for this. So using the discount formula, X minus 0.2 of X is equal to 5, and you get 4/5 X is equal to 5. I'm skipping a lot of steps here, so if you want to see how I did that, basically this is 1.0 minus 0.2, which is 0.8, which is equal to 4/5. 4/5 X is equal to 5. X is equal to 25 divided by 4. And 25 divided by 4 equals something like 6.1 something. And that's obviously greater than 6.00. So the answer is A. So these are pretty easy questions, actually. It seems like a very complicated. I mean, as soon as I see a word problem, I flip, so I wouldn't... Don't sweat about it, because most of these are going to be easy problems like this. One part would be a value, and the other one would be a percentage most of the time, and they're mostly word problems. Alright, so this slide's kind of messy, so excuse me for that. So we want to learn... So this is the next topic, fractions, and you want to know certain algebraic formulas such as a plus b the whole squared, a minus b the whole squared, and a squared minus b squared. I've wrote down all these formulas, expansions, factoring for all of these formulas, and you just want to know some basic fraction applications. Alright, so here's an example. 1 squared minus 6/8 the whole squared, and on b we have 1/4 the whole squared. So the key here is to see that this is not expressed as just 1, but 1 squared. Let me zoom in here. So 1 squared, if we put it in terms of 8, this is 8/8. So we have 8/8 the whole squared minus 6/8 the whole squared. And then on this part over here is just 1/4 squared, so we can write this as 1/4 times 1/4. Alright, so 8/8 the whole squared minus 6/8 the whole squared. If you've seen my YouTube short on this, you'd already know about this. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to watch it. But the idea is that this is a squared minus b squared formula, so it's a plus b times a minus b. So this is 8/8 minus 6/8 times 8/8 plus 6/8. So 8/8 minus 6/8 is going to equal 2/8, which is 1/4. This is 1/4 times 14/8, 7/4. Yeah, okay. I thought I did that wrong. But you see, this is 1/4 times 1/4, 1/4 times 7/4. We can cancel the 1/4 on both sides, and we get that 7/4 is greater than 1/4, so A is the answer. Alright, so most of the time, these problems take about 5 to 10 seconds. I lengthened it for no reason, but this should be pretty easy for you guys to solve. And never overcomplicate the questions, obviously. You'd never want to overcomplicate any question. Alright, so final topic, ratios and proportions. Same as fractions, obviously. And you want to know similar triangles. That's the big topic regarding ratios and proportions, and just take a few lessons on ratios. Watch a couple of YouTube videos, go to Khan Academy or something. Those really help me out. Alright, so here's an example. So this is a triangle, kind of getting into geometry here, but doesn't matter. So we have 2, 4, x, y, 18, bunch of random values. That doesn't look like an 18, so let me change that. Alright, and then on A we have 2 times x, and B we have y plus 9. So using the similar triangles formula, 2 over 4 is equal to x over 18. Or in other words, this triangle, this triangle is similar to this triangle. So because of that, we have 2 over 4 is equal to x over 18. And I'm just going to skip a couple of steps, but x is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9 here, y is also going to be equal to 9 because 18 minus 9 is 9. So on A we have 2 times 9, which is 18. And in B we have y plus 9, which is 9 plus 9 is 18. Since the two are same, the answer is C. So the idea is, it's the same as the fraction tricks. I can actually go back to the slide. Here. So most of the time the problems take like 5 to 10 seconds. Same thing again. There's no similar triangles. That's pretty much it. And that concludes the video. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, make sure to like and share this video with anyone else trying to get into UMTYMP. And subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.